So this AMS is jammed up on that port. We're going to take it apart and fix it. There's filament stuck in the tube somewhere. That little piece in the bottom on the back, and then you got to be real careful. I don't know if you can see it on here or not. Let's turn it sideways here. So there's two plugs here that you got to remove and be very gentle. And once they're removed, then it'll just slide right out. I always like to drop my screws down in the bottom here so I don't lose them. Yep, definitely filament stuck in the pipe. Anytime you have these open, go ahead and check your tubes for any wear. If you run any kind of abrasive filaments, it cuts through the tubing real quick, and your printer comes with a set of these. That's what all those tubes are for, is for replacing these if you had the AMS when you bought your printer. And if you depress this spring-loaded lever, you can fish stuff in, make sure there's nothing stuck in there, which is always a good idea, especially if you had one broke. I like to run it from this end. And then depress that and make sure it comes out the other side there. All right, we're clear, so we're ready to go back together. Doesn't really take that long to do this. It is a pain in the butt, but it is what it is. If you want to be able to have automatic filament changes, again, be very gentle putting these, taking them out and putting them back in. You don't want to break the little board on the printer there. This little rubber tube here is what that little click was. This hose goes in there. Make sure to fully seat it. All right, and then we're ready to put the screws back in. My deskit trays back in. we're done.